What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I remove fake nails fast. The only item you will need is a floss pick. I'm using the Oral-B Gentle Glide, but you can use any kind you like. You're going to begin by placing the floss portion at the base of the nail, working it between the fake nail and your natural nail. Pull downward and that's it. You want to be as gentle as possible, not to rip too many layers from your nail bed, so don't go too crazy like I'm doing here and just rip them off. Actually try to go, a little slowly and make sure you're not tearing your natural nail bed too much. You can also use the other end of this tool as a pick to kind of get up the nail if it's a little too hard for you at first. You just use the end to kind of pick the sides up and then place your other end at the base and pull down, and that's it. Super easy and fast. Next, I'm just buffing the nail beds out a little bit just to smooth it out, not too much. And then add your favorite treatment and you are good to go. That's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!